Hello, here Eugenio from Go Dominican Life. Today we are here in Las Terrenas in this beautiful beach called El Anclón, and I'm going to show you a property that is 8 minutes walk from here. You have access through a gate I'm going to show you next. So come on and jump with me. I hope you like the property. As I mentioned you before, you have here the private access to the beach, so you can enjoy from a small walk this beautiful place. So if you like the video, like, subscribe, and share, please. See you soon.